Yo, what's going on? Yo, I just had to start this vlog off by apologizing for the horrible camera footage of this drive I'm going to show a little bit of. I'm almost embarrassed to say that I've been out test driving for a project, putting my camera in different spots on the car. Everything's been fine. I've had no issues. I find a badass built car, a nice old Mr2 Turbo, and I'm telling you, this kid put this car together very well, and I know nothing about the details. I could just tell by the way it was driving down the road. And I had the opportunity to take a ride with this guy, and we really tore it up. We had a fun time. And my outside camera that was mounted on the car was not recording the whole time. Come to find later that every few minutes it would just shut off randomly at different times. Reloaded some software, should be good now. I won't ever use that camera on the outside again. I have other GoPros I'll use. Looking forward to another drive with this guy, but just so you guys don't think I'm nuts that I thought I was trying to be creative or something like that, the footage I show is actually a camera I didn't even know was on, that was just sitting in my passenger seat that I had forgotten to turn off after I did a quick spiel. So enjoy. I had a lot of fun that day. I wanted to share the footage of the drone here. I hope everyone's having a great day. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, support me. I need your help. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start joining some contests and getting some help from YouTube directly. So if you don't mind the support, thank you, and I'll talk to you everybody soon. So I couldn't pass up the opportunity to get back into my car today, just go for a drive. Found a cool place to fly the drone. Check this out. Saw this car pulling up across the street over there. I figure I'll wait till it goes and see what we're working with.